I am still here alive. It's because of her. It's not fair. Wag naman sabihin, Oji, na a mother, 89 years old, will just sit down in that wheelchair and watch your daughter, kinakatay na, pinapatay na, ninanakawan na, niluludhan pa, hindi siya Diyos. Ang Diyos ni Raymart, Satanas. Ang Diyos namin, Diyos sa taas. He's gonna get it, not from me. You just watch. Ang bait namin sa kanya. He has no right na kailangan lumuhod yung mga apo ko. Kaya namin buhanin mga apo ko. Pero ang kapal niya, I hate him. Oji, I hate him. Nasabi ko sa Diyos, sorry, mayroon ng hatred sa heart ko.
Ano pong sabi sa inyo, mami ni Santino?
Oh
Nakausap
my God.
niyo ba?
Santino is broken. He feels for his mom. He sees the needs. He needs the kakulangan. He cannot help. Alam mo, si Claudine, order ng pizza. Ma'am, no. Busog kami. Grabe. Alam mo, God is good, ha? Binigyan si Claudine ng Satanas, pero yung mga anak niya, ang babait. And I told Claudine, Mom, look ko kay OG, kuya ko, mamaya, Claudine, I'm not gonna die. God is not gonna get me. You better believe it.
Mami, anong pakiusap mo kay Raymart?
Kasabihan lang yun, but it's so cheap. Do not judge a book by its cover. Tinanggap ka namin. Buo-buo yung hindi mo natikman sa family mo, yung love. Hindi mo nakita sa family na ordinary. On how it is to have a kind of family we have. Sinaktan mo na yung anak namin, ha? Hindi ka pa mo yung anak ko sa harap ng masahista mo. Hindi mo alam, nakita ng 4 years old na anak mo. They did not know what it was. But they know that their mother was struggling. Tapos, kinuha mo na lahat na properties na pinaghirapan niya para sa mga anak niya. Mga anak yon, which is supposed to be your job. Wala kang property at all. Ang yaman ng tatay mo, yung mother mo used to complain to me na sayang yung trabaho ng tatay nila para mabigyan sila ng They don't even look at it kasi it's easier to steal. You married my daughter because she was Claudine Barreto. You dropped her when she stopped being a Claudine Barreto because what you did to her, you stopped. She is being one. Kala mo wala kang utang? You'll find out. Hindi kita sisingilin, Raymart. Hindi kita sisingilin. Never ka namin. Never ka namin tinaboy ni Daddy. We treated you like still our own son-in-law. But you treated my daughter like a beast, like an animal. Na sa totoo lang, ikaw ang tunay na animal. May Diyos ka? Kilala ko, Satanas yung Diyos mo. Ako may Diyos ako sa taas. You watch, it's gonna get you. Papabayarin ka. As for any girl you wanna get now, you can choose. You better choose well. I will not say good luck. I will pray for you because if you did not see what my daughter and my grandchildren passed, you're gonna get it. You're the next victim. I'm not finished with you, Raymart. May utang ka. Sisingilin ka. Isang signature lang. Kamamatay lang, namatayan yung mother ng mga anak mo. Lumuluhod na sa'yo. Isang Barreto, hiluluhod sa isang Satanas. Sorry, but your mom was really the love of Claudine. Sa wedding, yun lang sinabi ni Chiling. Raymart, wag mo saktan si Claudine kasi hindi lang Bongo ang